Hi students, how are you? Today I am here with another question. In the broadband decoupled 13C NMR spectrum, the number of signals appearing for the bicyclooctane A to C respectively. So for these three molecules, the number of signal appeared in 13C spectrum, which is a broadband decoupled 13C spectrum. So broadband decoupled 13C spectrum means the carbon gives only one signal, no splitting will be observed. So all the splitting will be cancelled in a broadband decoupled 13C spectra. So how many dissimilar carbons are there, we have to calculate in each molecule to see the number of signals that will appear in broadband decoupled 13C spectra. So how we'll calculate? We have to see the plane, how we have to see the plane of symmetry in this molecule. So how we can divide this molecule with the symmetry operation, plane of symmetry. So in this molecule A, we can pass a plane in this way that will bisect the molecule into two equal halves, as well as we can pass another plane along this bond that will bisect the molecule into two equal halves. So when we are passing this plane, then we can say that this carbon atom and this carbon, these two carbon are similar, whereas these two carbon also similar. And again, when we are passing a plane along this axis, then we can say that these two carbon are similar and these two carbon are similar, as well as these two carbon are also similar. So how much signal will be here? How many dissimilar carbons are there? So 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. So for this molecule, there will be 3 signal. Now we have to see here, in this molecule, we can pass a plane containing this 3 point, which will bisect the molecule into two equal halves. We can pass a plane containing this plane. I am telling this plane. This plane will divide this molecule into two equal halves. So we are getting these two carbon are similar, these two carbon are similar, these two carbon are similar, these two carbon are similar. Now again we can pass a plane along this, which will bisect the molecule into two equal halves. So we are getting these and these are similar, these and these are similar. Again we can pass a plane along this axis, this plane. So this also divide this molecule into two equal halves. So we are getting this carbon equal, and this carbon equal. And again we can pass a plane along this plane. So this and this carbon will be equal, this carbon and this carbon will be equal. So how many dissimilar carbons are here? Here is only 1, 2. 2 signal will be appear for this molecule. Whereas in this molecule, we can pass a plane containing these 3 points. That is, I am telling that the molecule will be, the plane will divide the molecule into two equal halves, which will contain these 3 points. So this plane will divide the molecule into two equal halves, and we will get this carbon and this carbon will be similar, as well as this carbon and this carbon will be similar, as well as this carbon and this carbon will be similar. So how many dissimilar carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for this 5 signal will be there. So you can see here that for this it will be 3, it will be 2, and for this it will be 5 signal in a broadband decoupled 13C spectra. Another question is here. Same question, the number of broadband decoupled 13C spectrum for these two pyridiol A and B respectively. Now for these two molecules, same procedure will be applied for these two molecules also. We will pass symmetry plane and divide this molecule into equal halves, and then we will determine how many dissimilar carbons are there. So a plane will pass along this axis. This will divide this molecule into two equal halves, so we are getting this carbon and this carbon similar, this carbon similar, this and this carbon similar, this similar, this similar, this similar. Again a plane can pass through this axis, which will divide this molecule into two equal halves. So we are getting this and this similar, 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 this and this similar. So how many dissimilar carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 dissimilar carbons are there. So it will give 5 signal. Whereas in this molecule, we can pass a plane along this axis, and this will divide this molecule into two equal halves, and we cannot pass any other plane to divide this molecule. To see how many dissimilar carbons are there. So we can see here that this and this carbon are similar, this similar, this carbon and this carbon are similar, this carbon similar, this and this similar, this and this similar. So how many carbons, dissimilar carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will give 10 signal. So these two molecules are planar. There will be a molecular plane also, but we will not consider this plane because this will not give us that dissimilar carbon. So we will consider only the perpendicular plane along to the molecular plane. Perpendicular plane to the molecular plane we will consider, which gives us dissimilar carbon. So this molecule will give 5 and this will give 10. So students, if you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know in comment box. And to get such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.